In a club with some wines and I pipe down. Shawty got me out too high. I be stepping on a beach with some wine.
I thought the aquarium rules were clear. Hey kid, hands off the You could crack the glass. Oh yeah, that's right. Classic victim move, pretending to cry. Fuck you.
You're not listening to Cam Bam's radio.
I gotta let bro go, you feel me? Bro really changed my life growing up. The rainbow fish, I love you, bro. Keep being you. Oh, shit, I dropped him off on the op block. Yeah. Oh, nah, he got his girl up against the wall. Stay strong, little homie. I still see your shadows in my room. I don't know, you don't look homeless to me. Looking like you be eating good with your big back ass. Alright, bro, here. But you should be begging for a gym membership, though. I almost had to that switchy on him, you feel me? This fish is bugging. He must not know that I'm thugging. We finna eat good, though. We finna fillet this joint. Nah, bro, that's a setup. Coco, it's a trap. He's leading you to a drawn-on tunnel so he can move out the way last minute, yell out, meep, meep, and make you hit the wall. I really don't want to do this to you, bro, but the recipe says I gotta wash you and let you chill for 30 minutes. Hopefully you taste good. Wait, not pause. Bro, I swear y'all is not gonna believe who I just met. Life is a movie. Cause I just see my boy Ratatouille. Hey, I don't want to be that guy, but what type of berries was he eating? How is he climbing trees? Yo, I just seen the ops on the block. We about to go bend real quick. I got the glee. You ready, Coco? Make sure tragic new paddock, dump out the V.
This is what love looks like. That's eggs. No, do not grab that egg. Will you marry me? Bella, let go. Bella. Actually, Bella, let go. Nothing's wrong with the name Bella. What you got mad at me for? You're making a bad impression. Bella, stop. Oh, got it, Jack. Let me just pick it up.
But Jesus said you are mine. Oh, the enemy thought he had me, but Jesus